know this guy. The genius killer, the door opener, the Jurassic nightmare. Is absolutely fake. Welcome to reality. If you were a real Velociraptor, you weren't a 2-meter-tall monster. You were basically an angry, biting turkey. Stats analysis. High intelligence, high agility, but your HP is garbage. One hit and you are dead. Being small in the Cretaceous means you are food. Your survival rate is a pathetic 5%. Level 1, the sand dune. You spawn in the Gobi Desert. No jungle, just heat and death. You are born with a sickle claw, but you don't know how to use it yet. You are clumsy. Danger number 1, egg thieves. Oviraptors love your family. For breakfast, you lack size, so you must max out your stealth stat. Hiding is your only defense. The desert freezes at night. Without feathers, you would die of hypothermia instantly. Level 2, the hunter. You unlock your signature weapon, the killing claw. It is not for slashing like in movies. It is for pinning down prey, like a hawk. But don't get cocky. In the Gobi server, there are titans. Meet the Tarbosaurus. You cannot fight. You can only run. Speed is your life insurance. Solo play is impossible. You need a guild. You need a pack. Target acquired. Protoceratops, the pig of the desert. Heavily armored, bad temper. This is where your high intelligence stat shines. Coordinate, flank, strike. You latch on, but hold tight. It is trying to crush you. Critical damage. Its beak can snap bone like a twig. But the fight is interrupted. Event, sudden sandstorm. Game paused? No, the game isn't paused. It's sudden death mode. The sand is burying you alive. You try to escape, but you are stuck, locked in a fatal embrace. Suffocation, darkness, game over. Fast forward to 1971, Mongolia. We found you! The famous fighting dinosaurs fossil, frozen in time forever. And this proves the Hollywood lie. Look at the size. You were tiny. Could you open doors? No. Your wrists were broken like a bird's wings. You couldn't even turn a doorknob. Did you roar? No. You hissed and chirped like a goose from hell. Final score, 5% survival rate. You were smart, fast, but nature is cruel. Who is next? The tank Triceratops or the River King Spinosaurus? Vote now. Subscribe for more Hollywood lies versus reality.